Hello everyone, and let's make some DIY hand sanitizer. There is a shortage of hand sanitizers in the market and it is really difficult to get some sanitizers. So today we are going to do some DIY hand sanitizer using 99% of isopropyl alcohol and aloe vera gel. This is an aloe vera gel. If you want to see what WHO has prescribed about sanitizer, please go on this link above and check out what WHO approved standard recipe of hand sanitizer is. Now, since there are 2-3 things which you are not able to get in this lockdown of houses, so we are going to make the simplest of sanitizer which a person can make or get things from the nearest shop. For this recipe, I am going to use 3 teaspoons of isopropyl alcohol. This is a 99% isopropyl alcohol. 2, and here you go, 3. This is 3:1 ratio of alcohol and aloe vera gel. The ratio of aloe vera gel comes up to almost 70% or 75%. Now I'll put 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel to it and mix it nicely. If you have a whisk, you can whisk it. Both are water soluble, so they will mix up very nicely with each other. For any sanitizer to be a sanitizer, it should have minimum 60% of alcohol. Now for us in this recipe, we are keeping the amount well above 60%. It's in fact around 75%. A little bit lesser than 75%, but that's fine. I'm going to use this kind of squeezy bottle because I'm going to take this gel with me. So let's fill in this gel and alcohol together, and then I'll cap it. This is a old bottle which I had got at a hotel. I'm just reusing it for my packaging. I don't like to throw away things, so this is like a zero waste reused package. Shake well before use. It's better to shake well. And apply it on your hand, on all the parts of your hand, your nails. Make sure you rub them properly for minimum 20 seconds and let them air dry. Air drying will help to kill the germs or the virus. In fact, it denatures the protein of the wall of this virus and hence killing it. So make sure minimum 20 seconds you use this or keep this on your hand. The contact time should be minimum 20 seconds. If you have any questions, please make sure you write down in the comment section. And please visit my blog. I really urge you to visit my blog to see a WHO recipe of hand sanitizer so that you are more aware what is actually needed. And this is just a makeshift thing for immediate use when you are not able to get anything else. So at least these 2 ingredients. So here you go. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you soon. Bye.